Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. I hope you guys are having an awesome and wonderful week so far. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Saad Basim, and on this channel we'll discuss all the tips and hacks for Amazon FBA business and also how to make money online. So welcome and thank you for joining me today. So in today's episode, guys, we're going to talk about how to create the perfect giveaway page that's going to help you a lot to build your followers and build your email list, which is going to greatly increase your value of your business. And also you'll be able to use this email list in multiple ways that's really going to benefit you, whether you are you need feedback on a new product, re-ranking a product. You can use them for launching a new product, and you will have a base of clients that are really raving fans that are very happy to be within your circle, and also to be happy with any product that you release. So this is very important, guys, and today I'm going to share that with you. Last week we shared about the landing page. Today we're gonna share the giveaway. I'm going to take you step by step how to create them and what type of giveaways that we can create and how we can use them effectively to collect those email lists. And let's dive in, guys, and let's do it. And as I said before, we're going to use Zonpages. And Zonpages, I feel it's very good software, especially for beginners and also for advanced. If you're really advanced, you know how to do sales funnels and you do everything, yes, you can move into it. For now, for the price $19.99, you'll be able to get all these features. Is really cheap price for a very powerful product that I think every Amazon seller should have, and I am one of those sellers who uses this software, and I'm very happy with it so far. So let's get to it, guys, and let's talk about giveaways. Just give me a second. Let me share my screen and let's get to it. So, guys, this is the Zonpages, and you go to Pages. This is actually another account. It's a brand new account because last time when I did my video, there were so many. It took so much time for editing, so now I just created a new one where we can take it from the beginning, and it will be easier for editing, so don't mind that. Now let's go ahead. This is the giveaway page. So last week we discussed the landing page, which is, we said landing page are important. We can use them in our insert card. We can use them for our Facebook ads. It's the same thing with giveaway page, but they have two different purposes that you need to really differentiate between and understand very well. So now, why I'm talking about landing page and giveaways, because later on when we are going to expand on our information and into our own topics, I would like to come back to those landing pages and giveaways to be able to use them, whether for your insert card creation, whether you're for Facebook ads, and etc. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway page right now. So I created a few giveaway pages before I just came in here, just to give example, just to go quicker on that subject. And guys, if you stay until the end, I'm going to share with you how to build the perfect QR for your insert card that's for free, and you really, guys, need to stay until the end, trust me. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the channel and like this video, please, so we can spread the word. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to say my giveaways, and I just created those two of them right now, but let me go ahead and redo them for you so you guys can see them. So let's create a new giveaway page, and now this is where it's going to bring you to the main page before you create it. But there's two things I want you to pay attention to, is the contest and content distribution, and these are two different of giveaway pages that you can create that are really important for you to understand before you choose which one. Now, if I do a contest, and when do I use a contest? A contest is basically you giving something for free of a high value that you can attract people to come in, sign up, and after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month, you can just pick a winner, and it's going to be only one winner, or 2 or 3 winners, whatever you want, depending on how value the product is or what you're giving away. And that's it. So by giving a very high value, is going to get a lot of people that signing up to your email list, and then at the end you just choose one and you're good to go. Now, when you do that, guys, make sure it's a good high value that has really a good amount of money behind it. So when I did this kind of page before, but not with the software, with another software. It was in a dog niche, in a pet niche, and we want to collect a lot of email lists on that specific niche. So I want to make sure that the product that I want to give away, it's within the pet lovers, people who owns a pet. I don't want to go ahead if I'm targeting a niche in pet and then I give Xbox for free or PlayStation for free. It doesn't make sense because the audience are two different audiences that I'm targeting. So I want to make sure whatever I give away, it's related to the niche that I'm going to be targeting, because if they have a dog and I'm giving, let's say here in this example, I'm going to be giving automatic dog feeder, I'll be able to sell them a leash. I can sell them a collar. I can sell them whatever I want later on because they have a pet, and if they buy this, they might need this. If they buy this, might need other things. So I'll sell them many things within my brand. So this is very important, guys. Do not just do it. Okay? I remember once when 4 or 5 years ago when the Hatchmill came out, they were so hard to get, and I used to get like, I don't know, 50, 60 of them, and I had a thought. I was like, hey, I might just go ahead and give away one Hatchimal, which is everyone was fighting for, and I want to sell in baby products. It doesn't make sense. I was very naive, was still young. I mean, young not in age, but young in knowledge. And slowly, I was like, no, it doesn't make sense. So it has to be within the niche, guys. I understand when you guys beginning, it's a lot of information to take in. So I want to make sure you guys really have it crystal clear here. So here, for example, that's for a contest. Okay. Now for content distribution, this is something that you can create, which is very, very good for your social media. So if you're building a brand, I assume that you have a Twitter account, you have Instagram, you have Facebook page, etc. Now, the most important ones that I really focus on is actually, honestly, Instagram and Facebook. Twitter, I'm not that much. And Pinterest, you can do it, but I'm not doing it myself, so I cannot judge Pinterest, but I have the account already created for. So now, for my social media, what I do, I always run content distribution, which is very important. So I say, hey, get my free ebook, for free, so you can learn the best 10 tips of how to decrease your dog's anxiety. Okay, so this is, you give stuff for free like that, or you can do a small discount. Hey, how about today we're giving away 15% off coupon for your next purchase from any product within our brand. So you can do that, and this is here, you can do it for anybody who signs up because it's not costing you much. So if I'm doing something for free as an ebook is one-time fee, and then you just collect emails for anybody who's click in, which is you're good to go. And if you do the 15% off, it's nothing comparing to your is not important to your just give me a second here. So I can do 15%, which is nothing comparing to my profit margin, where it can become 30 to 35%. So if I get 15% to be able to acquire new clients, that's nothing. So consumer acquisition is very low at 15%, so I will do that. So this is the difference. So contest, high price item. Content is something very low value, high value and perceived value, but it's low cost for you to produce. So now let's talk about the contest, and both of them, they come to the same way. I'm going to share with you how you do them, but they have the same steps, the exact same steps. So here, for example, what I did before, I said, hey, sign up and have the chance at winning our automatic dog feeder valued at $500. It's really attractive. Anybody would like to do that, right? So I do that. Continue. I'm at contest. Continue. Now it's going to bring me to the page, which is very familiar and similar to the one with the landing page, but here is much, much fewer. So now what I do, for example, I come with the title, okay, and I edit it. So here, see, it's cut up. I'll just make sure that I include all, okay, and here description. So description, you want to give something about the features of the product, okay. So what I did, I just went to Amazon, and I found I just took any dog feeder that out there, and I just took their description. That's all what I did. I came, put it here, I put product feature, boom. I'll just make sure these are bolded. All right. Okay. Now, when you do your own product, or you find a product, or for example, when I did it, I bought a product from Best Buy. So when I get the Best Buy product, I think was $500. Also the same thing, 500 or 600 bucks, something expensive. What I did, I I just went and I took the manual, or I went to the website, I took all the product features, and I was good to go. I took them, copy, paste, and I'm good to go. So do not overdo it, do not overthink it. Here is not a big deal, because when you have your copy in a Facebook ad, you're gonna bring them here, and then they can read then they can read more about it if they want it, but it's not that important. But just give a few features and you're good to go. Now update. Let's take a look at our page, and look at the page, guys. It's really, really cool. It's really cool. Oh, now the duration, just give me a second. So here I did the title. Now I will just come back at duration, because always in the future, not behind. So I want to make sure it's from yesterday, for example. I update, and then I come here. I'm gonna go back to duration, and we do it all, but I just want to share with you how the page, how it looks. So look how the page, sign up and have a chance of winning our automatic dog feeder, the product features. I can adjust this. We're going to share how I adjust it. Then you have the opt-in page, as we discussed it last time. It's, you put the full name, the email address, enter now, and gives them all the data that we have. So now, you see here, I don't like how it looks like this. So I want to make sure I come to title or description. Both of them are the same. I come here, and I will just select all, and then make sure I click on that. Perfect. Now come down, update. Now come here, update, and didn't work. Hold a second, just give me a second. I'm gonna do it from the description side, which is the same side, guys. So here I will select all, and then click this one, then update, then I come here, and what happened? Done. Here, give me a second. Why is not working? Give me a second. Let me go it here, then bring it back here, then update, and now come here, put it. Should work now. That's it, worked. So because I copied it from another doc that already was done this, so it didn't do it well. So I just come here, just make sure that you have the spaces. I have them as spaces, much better, looks much better, more clean, and that's what I like. So now if I come here and look how it looks, it's gonna look very, very good. See, now there's one thing I forgot, but another one here, and then boom, done. All right, now look at that, guys. Now the page, how it looks very good. So sign up now. There's one thing here I need to make sure I update it. See, always cuts up that, and I don't know why, which is weird, honestly. I think I would like it better before, like when it has like this value. So make sure about the title all the time. Check your work twice all the time. Now I do not like this product features to be here. I want to move it down. Okay, this is one of the things. So we'll do that as well. But let's say here, we're here, we have description. So I'll move it down and I'll put under the sum. Now, so we did the title. Now let's do the video. Let's do a video or picture. Guys, if you have a video, go ahead and do it. If you don't have, a picture will do. Okay, so I took this video. Make sure the size of the picture is exactly what they need. The picture larger than 1920 by 1080 will be resized. And that's it. I've done this. Then go back to page content. I come here. Look what happened. Boom, boom. So sign up and have a winning. Have the picture. Have the opt-in bar. Enter to win, and then they have the product feature. If they want to read, they read here. But you already have it in a Facebook ad copy. So they just want to come here, put it in. That's it. If they want to read more about it, it's here. It's up to them. Now there is one thing I want to show you. For example, display the form, enter the giveaway. So here exactly the same. So here, enter to win. We can do here enter to win. This is for a contest, or claim. If we do the other one, which is claim your ebook. Okay, if we do it, hey, everyone, content distribution, everyone wins it. Just say claim your book here, and then I can do the same thing. I can play. I can do any colors I want. and update. I'm just sharing with you guys. You know how to do it. I don't want to go more into it because you guys seen very much in depth. See that? You can have it green and you'll be good to go. Because last time when I did it really too much in detail. So if you want to just go to watch the landing page, has the same kind of procedure almost. So now I did this. I have the sum up. The sum up is basically this. This is the sum up. So if I come here, I don't want to show the sum up. I can come here, fresh. Now look, there's no sum up, but I always like to have a sum up. I think it's very good. And this is something I'm going to show you how to change. Now description is the same as the title. If you look at it, I updated it in the title before. Now if I come here, it's there also, and also has a title. I don't know why they have it twice, honestly, but I think because of moving, you can have the title first, then description you can move in. But I should have only the title by itself, description by itself. But hey, we're not here to talk about that. Now, let's say the duration, guys. The duration. Now, if I do a big something like for 500, I will do it like, for example, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay. Now I'm doing the big content, so only limited winners. I can do 1 or 2 or 3 depending on how many winners you actually want to select or how many people. So if you want to increase the chance of people winning, you might get more emails and you build it better. Yes, go for it. If it's not, just limited to 1 or 2, whatever you want, you should be good. Everybody wins. This is for the other one, content distribution, where everyone wins the ebook or the 15% coupon that you want to add. Now the date. So here, winners, the date. If I want to change it, and I will make it, hey, only for 2 weeks, for example, update. Look here. Now here, update, only 16 days will be winning. That's it. So usually in the beginning, if you have 30 days, you're not going to get a lot of emails. You will get them closer to the end date. That's when you get a lot of emails. So if you really want to get them all, do them 1 week or 2 weeks and you should be good to go, and you get a lot of people. Because if I look at it, see 30 days, I was like, hey, I'll catch you later. Okay, so if you're doing Facebook page, Facebook ad, sorry, make sure it's very short period of time. If you're doing in your social media, yes, no problem. Like for example, for me, I'll do, hey, in my social media, I have a contest once a month, you win a product. That's it. This is for me only once a month. It's not much. But you can do it weekly or monthly or whatever you want. And you can also change how many winners. So if I want 3, update, which is very self-explanatory, which is I still butcher the keyword. That's when you look like you're really the top of your game, you know. Anyways, now confirmation page. This is what is very nice, guys. When someone sign in here, the Zonpages send the emails automatically, so you don't need to be smart about it. You don't need to be crafting your own emails, and that's what's really I like about this. Because I'm not a marketer, so I cannot do all this and try to come up with ideas. I can change a few things, but not to be to that extent. So here, for example, the visitor will be redirected. A page showing that confirmation. You can provide your own customized message. So this is once they form it, when they come here and they enter it right away, is going to come here. Thank you for participation. Our giveaway will notify winners by email once the giveaway has ended. Okay. Now success emails. If someone signed up and everything is cool, look. Send an email to people that have entered the giveaway. So they signed up and everything is good. You're going to say, hey, hello, name, you have successfully entered whatever the giveaway names. Thank you for participating. Be sure to share a giveaway with your friends, which is going to be an URL. And then this giveaway will end on that date. We'll notify the winner by email. Now, if you want to be here a little bit, look how I'm going to change it. I'm going to become very smart about it. I'm just going to say, congratulations. Congratulations, you entered the giveaway. Okay, and then you can say, hey, best of luck, or I wish you the best, or something like that. Good luck, you entered the giveaway. And now once that's done, now if you want it to be a little bit more, you want to put more effort, and they entered this $500 giveaway, say, hey, I also would like to let you know that I have attach an ebook for you to read while we're selecting our winner, while our giveaway is ending, because that will add value. So you give them the ebook, you will win them. They might be able to go look into your store, look into your brand, and maybe able to buy products. So add value is not going to cost you much. If you want, add any attachment here. Now email feeding, that's another thing, which is here. Where do you want the stuff to be stored? When we did the landing page, we store them in Charcoal. We created a folder. So here, if I'm running a contest, I'll say, hey, I create hey, new email list, and I will say dog feed, oh my god, dog feeder giveaway. And so why this is important, because you want to make sure you track where your emails are coming from. Is it from social media, Instagram? Is it coming from Facebook ad? Is it coming from this? So you want to make sure that you know where it's coming from. So if anything that's really successful, you can hone down on and you'll be able to spend more money on it, so you can create more email lists, because not everything is going to work right away. You're going to start slowly. When you start testing things, you will see which one works best for you, and then you work on them. And now security is going to be the same thing. Security here is just telling you validation. So if someone enters those fake emails and they want to get multiple entries, and for no reason, here tell them, hey, verify. So if they have a fake one, they send them an email. They're not going to get it if they're fake. If it's true, they're going to confirm it, and only then they'll be good to go, and you will be able to run into the giveaway, which is important. And here, as we said before, you can put this, the pixel, you can put Google Analytics HTML to track them, to maybe you can get them, and after that you can track them with your pixel, and you do Facebook ads and retarget them again. And now social media, this is exactly what we have here on the left side, and this is, if I put it in line, I say update and go, and now here we're gonna have the social media here. So I like the way this way. So usually if you have the right image, this is gonna be in the middle, and then you're gonna have the title, the image, the opt-in page, social media, winners, and then I'll leave the features at the end, because they already know what they're getting. It's for free. I don't think I want to waste their time in the beginning. So this is exactly how I would do it myself. Okay, and then that's it. You have a URL that you can use, which is the same thing. I can put, hey, dog, I see here, I did it before. I did dog feeder for life. That was BDD, because I cannot have both the same. So update. Now you see it changed here. Now the old one is not gonna work anymore. So if I refresh that, it's not gonna work. Okay, so I need to make sure here, boom, done. Okay, now this is the new dog feeder, blah blah blah. Now if you really wanted to change it, and you change it to your own thing, as we said, DNS, this is something that actually discussing with my client, who's just really computer genius, and he says, hey, this is very easy. Just go DNS and you'll be able to redirect it to your own, and you should be able to do it with, where I can change this. Zonpages, I can put it at dogfeeder.com, whatever your brand name, and you'll be good to go. All right. Now, this is how you do a contest, a giveaway. Now, let's say if you wanted to do the other way, which is, I'm not going to get too much in details, but I'm just going to share with you what are the differences. So here, create a new one. And here, instead of contest, we're going to do content distribution. And I did one here. Get our premium ebook on how to keep your house fresh and odor free. This is for the charcoal, our infamous product, the charcoal air purifying bags. This is the one. So continue, and you do the same thing exactly, but here you have a little bit of more things that you can do, where, you know, success email. Let me see what you can do here. Give me a second. Email feeding is the same. Pixel, social media, here, page content, sorry. Okay, let me just, I'm going to share with you how to do it. So here, for example, let me put the date back, because you want to make sure. Here, this is what you need to do. Everybody wins here. So make sure you select that. It's almost the same thing. It gets very confusing when you do it. So everybody wins. Update to make sure about that. Then the page content. Let me go to the page content. And now let's add a page. Here, I just pulled something from the internet, so do not mind me. Ebook, then I'll put duration, go to duration, sorry, not the duration, a page content again, and then I want to change the title. I have a few titles that I've done, so I'm just going to put it here. So here, get our fish free. Now here in description, just give me a second. I have so many pages opened up, man. Giveaway pages. Give me a second. Okay, that's the one. So here, what I would do in the description, guys, I will do this. I'll say, hey, learn, which is a very lazy thing. Learn the top 10 tips. Give them more about the product and what they're gonna get. Okay, so give them more. Learn top 10 tips on how to keep your house clean and odor free. I'll put this one bold. I don't know why I like bold too much. Then ebook content, give them about the content because they don't know what it is. So, oh, keep order. Okay, I'm giving you top 10. Then give them a little bit about what they're gonna get in it, so you can get them intrigued. Because here you need to a little bit more convincing, more than if you have them only $500 item. $500, people will buy it because they know the value $500. But here you want to give a little bit more convincing, and you should be good to go. Here, don't forget to update all the time, and the same thing is going to happen here. If I come here, let me take this one out, and this is it. So here, get your our premium ebook on how to keep your house fresh and clean, odor free. Then you have exactly here, you have the features. I wouldn't like them, I would like them to be at the bottom. So I come here, page content again, and where the description is, I will put it here after the sum, and then a section updated, then I create, and that's it, done, boom. Okay, this is it. So this is how you guys really, you need to use the ManyChat. This is how to use your giveaway and your ebook correctly, giveaway and contest correctly, to be able to build email lists and to be able to attract people, especially if you're running outside traffic, which is really important for your re-ranking, for your social media building. You can get reviews later on from them when you build them, getting a new feedback on a new product, and etc. So guys, this is how we do it. This is how we do the giveaway page. Now for the bonus, for the people who stayed here, I'm going to share with you how to do your QR correctly. And this is the website that I use, which is really, 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 really good. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's assume we build our let's assume we built our landing page or giveaway page or whatever we want, and now we want to translate that into a QR, and this is how we do it. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up my landing page. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one, for example. I'm gonna take this landing page, copy, and I'm going to put in the URL. Boom. Dun, 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 confirm. Now it created me exactly what I wanted, is the QR. So now if I come to my phone, okay, I'm just looking here because I have so many tabs are open. If I come to my phone and I will select my QR scanner, okay, which is any scanner, okay, so any QR scanner, I just come and click on that. Now look what happens, which is I'm gonna share back. I'm gonna share you my beautiful face again. Okay, so now it comes like this. I open. Now I just need to make sure I open link, open, and now look what happens. Exactly what I have. Look, it looks so good into your mobile. That's what's nice. So it's compatible desktop and mobile, which is really good, guys. And this is where a lot of people comes in. It's usually on mobile. Okay, so look, this is exactly what happens. Now you want to be a little bit fancy, and you want to be fancy, and you'll be the man of the man. Now you can do multiple things here. Look how much it gives you. I can do colors. So for example, if color, I have a specific color that I want to be the same theme as my brand or whatever it is, I can do it. I can do a different ends. See how this square, you can change them the way you want. You can change the color for specific color code that you have. The look also, you can change how the things looks, how the ends of it, like here if I wanted to make it look, change it. If I want to do it as a stars, I can do it. All will work very nice. The one I wanted to do is the logo, guys. And the logo, it's really cool. So let me see if I get one logo here that I can get into it. Let me see. Oh, not this way we need to do it, huh? So let me go back. Let me get this, confirm, come to logo. Now I need to choose a file. Now the file here, put the logo, open. And now let's see, upload. It's not supported, this logo. I need to choose the right logo. Give me a second. Let me choose the other logo, man. Just give me a second. Because I have multiple logos, so you need to make sure it's the right logo. Come on, perfect. This is it. So guys, you come here. I will make it cute because I want it to be the same color, let's say, as oh my god, I believe it. So you can put Facebook also, whatever you want. You come logo, upload again. It's gonna have it for me. Done. If you want to change the color, change it to any color you want. You can come here and you can do it whatever you want. Here, boom, change, perfect. Now if I go back again, will be the same thing. I know why I'm doing it again, but I just want to share with you is that even with that color, you still be able to come up and look at it. Done. See that? So guys, this is how you use it. And I hope you guys are really getting a lot of value from this video. I know I went a little bit further, but I want to share everything with you. So we did the landing page last week. We did this week the giveaway page, and I shared everything with you. In the giveaway page, we have the content distribution. We have the contest for one winner, high value contest winner, $500 or whatever you want to use. And then the other one is for low value, a product but has a lot of perceived value in people's eyes, whether an ebook, whether 15%. This is very important. Now, also shared with you how to use the QR, which is very important if you wanted to embed it on your packaging, in your insert. And this is very important, which is to come, where I'm gonna share with you how to do your insert card correctly and how to be able to have all the stuff in it, the insert card landing pages. That's why I had to do them now before we share a lot about insert card and packaging techniques, which is gonna help you guys greatly. So guys, if you like it, if you like this video again, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give us a big love and big likes, because it really helps the channel to grow a little bit. And if there's any other topic that you want me to talk about, please let me know and we'll make it happen. Take care, everybody.